Here in this tutorial, we will learn about nested routes in React Router. Like first we need to learn what is nested routes. Works in similar way, they allow you to create a routes within the routes, just like having a attraction inside different areas of the museum, like that. Imagine you are a big amusement park. The park has different areas like a water park, a roller coaster section, and kids zone. Each area has its own attractions, and some attractions are located within those areas. Like right, so this is what is nested routes. Next, we move on to the why use nested routes. Like first, we need to use in organized structures, just like the amusement park is organized into different sections. Nested routes help keep your application organized, and you can have a main route and then specific sub routes under it. So this is the one, and next one is better user experience. Like when users navigate to a main area, they can easily find related attractions or pages without getting lost. Nested routes make it easy for users to explore related content. This is all about why use nested routes in React. Next, we move on to the how to set up nested routes. Like coming into the how to set up nested routes, let's say you have a website for the amusement park with the main attraction pages. Under these pages, you want to have a specific sections for water rides and roller coasters. There is a how you can set up this up using a React router. In these, we need to first create the main component. They create a main component for the attractions page. This is like the entrance to the attractions area in the amusement park. The next one is the create a nested components. The next create component for the nested routes like water rides and roller coaster like that. And next we need to set up the routes. You need to set up the routes in your main app file. This is like mapping out the attraction in the amusement park. This is all about how to set up nested routes. How it works, like the main routes is attractions, which shows the attractions component. This is like entering the attractions area of the amusement park. Next one is nested routes. When you click on water rides, roller coaster, or the URL changes to attraction water rides or the attraction roller coaster, the corresponding component water rides or roller coaster is displayed inside the attractions. The component where the outlet is placed, this is like going to specific attractions within the area. This is all about nested routes. In nested routes is a in React router allows you to create a structures and organized way to navigate through your application. Just like amusement park has different areas and attractions, nested routes help you manage related content in clear and user friendly way. This makes is easier to users to explore your app without getting lost. This is all about nested routes in React.